Okay, so what we are going to do right now, we are going to generate a single voltage with an AC generator. This AC generator is 60 Hz. We can increase from 0 up to 55,000 volts. Now, I'm going to take the slave stick, touch it to earth, there, and then I will take the master stick, touch it to the line, and then you will be able to increase from 0 volt up to the point where the neon light comes on. When the neon light comes on, you stop it, and then we'll tell the voltage. And then after that we will increase the voltage up to the full scale, and when it arrives on full scale we'll note as well. And at the same time, when it is going, you will tell me 1 kV, 2 kV, 3 kV, 4 kV, so that we can see on the scale that it's correct. Alright. Okay, so
let's start from
as it is,
0, right?
yes, you start from 0.
So now you open.
Just one sec. So the slave stick is connected to earth, and it is well secure. I'm pushing on it.
A second.
The master stick is connected to live. And now we can see it. Yes. All right. You can go up.
So now I should start.
Yes, please.
Okay. Be careful. Okay.
It's all right.
So from 0.
Go up.
Okay. Start.
Slow. Stop. What is the voltage now?
Now it's 1.35.
Okay, 1.35 kV.
Yes.
The neon comes on. Go up.
Up. Okay.
2 kV.
Not yet. Yes. 2.12.
Okay, 2.12. If I look at the scale, it's exactly correct. Go to 6 kV. 4 kV. Sorry.
4 kV.
Yes. Okay.
Not yet. Wait a second.
You went too far.
Yes, too fast. Wait a second.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, almost 4.1.
Yes. Okay. This one indicates 4.1 kV. You can go to 6 kV.
6 kV. Okay. Oh.
You went too far.
Yeah, too fast.
Okay.
About 6 kV.
Yes. Now it's 6 kV. You can see on the mirror scale that it's exactly 6 kV on the mirror scale.
Yes.
On the, it is just above the 50% scale. On the left side, there is a scale on the left. On this side is the percentage scale. On this side is the voltage scale. We are at 6.1 kV. This one shows a little bit above 50%. The neon light is on.
Yes.
The neon light is a voltage indicator. The neon light works fully independently from the panel meter. So the circuit for the panel meters is independent from the circuit from the neon light. Okay, you can go up to 8 kV.
8. Okay.
Okay, you went too far.
Wait a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now you are at 8 kV.
Yes.
It's exactly 8 kV on the mirror scale. You can now go to 10 kV.
10 kV. Okay.
Actually, take me to 11 kV so I can show the 11 kV graduation.
So now do the 11 kV.
11 kV. Go slowly, please, so that don't pass.
Okay.
Little bit more. Okay, you are on 11 kV.
Yeah, almost 11 kV.
Yes, there you are.
Yes.
Okay, you can see the scale is exactly 11 kV. We are on 60 Hz because this test is made from the factory in Taiwan. The power generator is single phase. We are exactly putting 11 kV between the master pole and the slave pole. The neon indicator is on. The light of the neon is on. The scale indicates 11 kV and it's exactly 11 kV on the mirror scale. You can take it to 11 kV, 12 kV, sorry.
12 kV?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Alright. So we've just reached 12 kV. It's exactly 12 kV on the mirror scale. And 12 kV is basically the last point that we have on the scale, and it's exactly 12 kV. Now we are going to take the voltage down. We will take it down to 11 kV.
To 11, okay. 11 kV, okay.
11 kV, please. Okay, we are exactly on 11 kV on the mirror scale. Now we are going to take it to 10 kV.
10 kV.
You went too far.
Yeah.
Okay. If you look on the 10 kV, it's exactly on the 10 kV scale. The number 10 is not shown because the neon is taking the space of the number 10. But you can just count the mark and you will see you are exactly on 10 kV. Let's do to 9 kV. Okay, you are exactly on 9 kV. It's perfect. It's you cannot get it better. It's exactly the mirror scale and the scale correspond exactly. Go to 8 kV now. We are at 8 kilovolt and adjust it exactly. Yeah, now we are exactly on 8 kilovolt. It corresponds exactly. The mirror scale is correct. Let's go to 7 kV. A little bit less. Okay, we are on 7 kV, it's exactly on the mirror scale. Go to 6 kV, please. I'm just lowering it so that we can get the mirror correctly. From where I'm looking at, I can see the mirror perfectly. Alright, we are on 6 kV. It's perfect. Go to 5 kV. 5 kV now, 5 kV is perfect as well. Go to 4 kV.
4 kV, okay.
4 kV is perfect on the mirror scale. Go to 3 kV, please. There you go. 3 kV is perfect.
Yeah.
Actually, a little bit less. You are too high.
It will be less, okay.
Can you check it on your system? 3 kV exactly, please.
Okay, 1 second. 3.1 kV.
Okay, yes, it is a little bit higher than the scale.
Yes.
Alright, go to 2 kV, please.
2 kV, okay.
You're still too high, okay?
Okay.
Have you
2.09.
Okay, so 2 kV, 2.09, we can say it's 2 kV. On my mirror scale, it does shows exactly 2 kV on my mirror scale. Now you are going to go down to 1 kV, but slowly, because we are going to note when the neon switch off.
Okay. So
Okay.
slowly now.
Slowly, please.
Okay.
Okay, now what is the voltage?
1.1 kV.
Okay, so basically the neon indicator comes on at 1.3 kV and goes off at 1.1 kV. Alright, you can bring it down now.
Until the 0.
Yes, please.
Okay.
And then you can switch off the generator to discharge everything around. And let's bring the earth onto the generator, please, before I leave. Okay, thank you.